Okay, tonight is Italian night, I'm guessing. I'm gonna guess by the Leaning Tower pizza here and the Italian flag. It's Italy night. Let's go inside and have a look at what's going on. Okay, looks like they've got the stuff ready for the champagne with wine glasses. And this is the area where you can take your photo shoots. What is that later? As we run over here, see what there is. Okay, this is a special area. What's this? Mozzarella, tomatoes, salad. Ooh, that looks nice actually. Oh, I'm not quite sure everything that's in it. Hello. UK.
UK. India.
India, but living.
What is this?
Salad.
Salad.
Yeah. Is this chicken?
Chicken. Yeah.
Yeah.
Caesar salad.
Okay. Ah, Caesar salad. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Now that makes sense. Okay, and obviously this makes sense. Pasta.
Pasta. Yes, it makes perfect sense.
Ooh.
Omni, carpaccio.
Hello.
Very delicious. Omni.
Not for vegetarian though.
Okay. Vegetarian.
Yeah. Ah, thank you.
Okay, should we start with the soup?
Yeah. Oh. We'll come back to that in a second. Okay, minestrone soup.
Minestrone soup.
Yeah. And goulash soup. We'll go look. Hold on, the cheese on top doesn't look melted. Mr. Chef, do you think you could melt the cheese on this, please? Thanks, man. Massive pizza. I'm on a slice of this.
And it looks vegetarian.
It does look vegetarian. There you go.
No? Oh no, some of it looks like it's got
Oh
meat.
yeah, true actually.
It looks like different pizzas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, breads that's normally there.
Yeah, the spring rolls,
Swing.
salads, it's normal stuff, salad.
Normal stuff with the Italian decorations, look at that. And let's go back this way and see what's going on. Something over here this day. Normally nothing here. I can't quite tell what's here. Looks like green beans.
It looks like
cauliflower.
dietary stuff.
Oh yeah, dietary stuff. Over here. Yeah. Over here looks like we got chips, which is normally there. Grilled fish, which is also normally there. Hello. Grilled tomatoes, peppers. Now what's this? Grilled chicken, looks like chicken wings. And grilled meatballs, which I'm guessing are beef. Going around over here. Let's have a look. Bolognese sauce. Spaghetti, normally there. Chicken with vegetables, which, yeah, normally there. Chickpea dish. Chickpea curry. Quite.
You're not holding the camera right now.
Yeah, no, I'm holding it here. Turkey dinner, which is normally there as well.
Yeah, noodle rice.
Noodle rice as well. Turn around over here.
Your camera's going to be like this. It's like the same thing again.
Okay, carrots and sauce.
Carrots and sauce.
Okay. Corn sauteed. I'm guessing corn on the cob. No?
Oh, that is nice.
Looks different. Veggie dish. Okay, that's strange. Cheese pies. Looks a bit different today.
Okay.
Turkey dinner with sauce.
Turkey dinner cuisine.
Yeah.
With cheese.
Spinach with cheese. Quite literally spinach with cheese. Rice. Boiled beef. Okay, I'll stay away from that. Stuffed peppers. Not sure what this stuff with. Maybe rice or something.
Stuffed peppers, yeah.
Chicken dinner with veggies. That looks like a bit more than veggies. Baked fish, which is normally there. Eggplant dish, yeah, normally here. Izmir meatball, looks strange. And nah, for sure is there. Over here, what we got? Rice. That's a bit more than rice. I'm not quite sure what that is. That looks like some sort of stuffed parcel. Looks nice. Normal flatbread which are here. And this has not been filled up yet, so I'll have to show you that later. Okay, move on. Pasta as usual. Beef shank. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
Is it? Abizer. Abizer.
Abuzer.
Nice to meet you.
Abuzer.
Abuzer.
Yes.
Abuzer is always manning the meat stations.
Yeah.
Meat and gravy.
Beef.
Beef.
Yeah.
Not for me today, unfortunately.
Vegetarian, no meat for me.
Hello.
Hello. Esme.
Yes.
Yes. Is that beef?
Yes, beef.
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 Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, can't have to
Beef
stay.
wraps?
Beef wraps. Yeah,
Okay.
have to stay away from that. So look at this. Fresh watermelon and pineapple, which is normally here as well. Oh, what's going on over there actually?
Okay, spin around there.
Looks like there's going to be frying something. Perhaps the watermelon.
By the looks of it.
Yeah, that looks like dessert. That we have to be afterwards. I'll have to stop myself. Pastas with, yeah,
Some special fritters.
looks like it.
Okay.
Looks
Looks
nice.
like he's doing some
Fresh pastas.
special pasta dish, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That'll be nice to look at afterwards.
We'll come back and see what that is. And then we've got
Yeah.
something else.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure what that is. Oh,
Ah, there you go.
that looks nice. Your name Ali? Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Ah, he's making some special pasta for everybody.
Thank you very much.
And some, looks like gnocchi.
Ooh,
Gnocchi.
and the pasta goes in here. It's quite nice. Oh, it's cheese.
Baked pasta. This looks very yummy.
Oh, pasta bake. Ooh.
So, Italian actually looks very Italian.
Yes, which is quite nice. Ooh. This is where my dad's chilling out. Wine, 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 wine. He's gonna chill out with the whining. Turn around. And this is the rest of the salads here, which is normally here. It's very similar to what it is normally,
Just
with
decorated differently.
yeah, with slightly different decoration. That looks quite nice actually.
Same salad.
Same salads as usual, just once again decorated a little bit differently. Now this looks quite nice. Macaroons, all different colours, almost like the rainbow here.
Okay, Italian night. Baklava.
Yeah, Italian like baklava, which is a Turkish dish, but it still looks quite good.
Okay.
Good as always, yeah, nicely down there. You know what I mean? Yeah, very similar desserts over here. Maybe some different cake designs actually. And this looks quite yummy. It almost looks like a donut with custard or something inside of it. It's quite nice. And over here is the usual fruit they got, which is quite nice as well. So if you don't want anything too heavy.
Okay.
And over here,
Children's buffet, usual Italian.
children's buffet, usual spaghetti. I don't think it's actually Italian, but it will do.
Okay, and that is Italian.
And that is basically it for Italian night.
Bruschetta.
You got bruschetta over here. You got pasta over here. And you got, is that meant to be salad?
Some kind of salad. They're all salads, right?
Yeah. They're all salads to an extent, I guess. Got the same as Dad. Let's try it. Very nice. I didn't think the walnut would go with it, but it actually did. Quite nice. Hello again, I've got some bruschetta, let's try some. Try and make sure it doesn't crumble everywhere.
Your mum was just taking forever.
Really nice. I love the veggies they got on top of it, it's quite nice. It's all fairly raw as well, so it's got nice crunch to it. Next is salad. Okay. Next is salad. Try some Caesar salad. Yeah, once again, really nice. I love the. I'm guessing it tastes like mustard on top. It goes quite well with the chicken.